whose chairman and CEO is a U.S. veteran. We're so confident you'll love Pure Talk USA. We include a 1-month risk-free guarantee. 50% off your first month.
Progress is slowly being made. We should have the front side, which is to the right, done today. We got to go pick up a couple minor things. This side will be done. Side, that's going down into a service track for an industry. Service track for a second industry. The one track that's ending there is going to be for a freight house. Then you got your track 1, 2, and 3, and then your track 1 siding. The diesel fueling area, which is on the front side. Backside track is to be laid out yet for the passenger servicing area. Right there. This is what the diesel facility is going to look like. Let's put it this way, the diesel area. Fueling stands, room for Ford diesel, sanding towers in the back, where this small car is, and then tank car, there will be tanks back there. You can hear the locomotive in the background. We are slowly getting power to the layout. Again, the diesel fueling facility is all done. Right down here where all the little wires are, we're cutting in 2 remote control or motorized switches. Decided to go without the building down there and just leave open tracks. I'll do concrete between the rails for the service area for the passenger train cars.